Tell we no. Tell we Integrity Commission. Tell we no. But we will find out. Because the court case will come up. And we believe our Prime Minister is being attacked for political reasons. Because we don't give nothing to think otherwise. We think says a witch hunt. And we not think so our Prime Minister so fool for go run Ghana court and know saying guilty or something. And know say everything can come out of the court. We don't think the Prime Minister is a fool. Then if our Prime Minister is a fool, he don't need to be our Prime Minister. Because why our Prime Minister is a fool for run Ghana for judicial review and know say have something to hide. Him that just accept the fate and just maybe want to charge that them that charge him and him just say, yo, a witch hunt and just make no go on and beat off no gum. Because no like say, what I go do. It's not like not come out. Then if not never come out of traffic go or Portia Sims to them, then we can't come out of anything on yeah. Portia Sims to them, they just say are the brethren get the money for donation and the PNP send it back to Trafigura. The donation will come to the man. The man will get the donation, PNP send back the money to Trafigura. PJ Patterson shell scandal. I don't like the middle of PJ Patterson. And he went on to be the longest serving Prime Minister. So just tell we our man. Just tell we. Because we not go think so our Prime Minister so fool. If you know say he do same thing around Ghana court, yeah, who need that to carry him Ghana court? These are the things. Critical thinking, logical thing. Why would I think so the Prime Minister have something to hide or run? It's like a man thief something around going to a station and go say, officer, them a run me down, say me thief this. And the professor said, what is it? Oh, one thing we take for over a man yard. What? Why would him run going to a station with the something thief over the man yard and go tell the police them that they can take you over a man yard? And then I saw Andrew with a fool. Well, me I go with Andrew Holness, brethren. If we let you down at the soil, we are human being. Where's the Lashika? If he let you down at the soil, we are human being. But me not think my Prime Minister so fool. For run Ghana court and know say you have something to hide. Me not think so my Prime Minister not so fool. Then if I saw my Prime Minister fool, me not want to support him. No, sir. So Dian Jackson Miller, me think say you have a long way to go, Dian Jackson Miller. Andrew Holness I got age you further. Rattigan, we're not going to end up with health problems. Andrew Holness are going to heart attack. We're not too bitter. We're not too bitter against this man. And notice, him just a jog and I look fitter and fitter every day. We have a long pipe, we have a problem, you know. We not about resign. This man I look like he have next 30 years now. We not go dead left him. We not go into the grave. Before we not see Andrew Holness falter and fail, we not go in the grave. We not go develop sickness. You're so much camera out there about living tears. Andrew Holness is the original Joshua. And a Michael Manley, Andrew Holness. As a matter of fact, I take back that. Andrew Holness and David. Because David went up against Goliath and saw them. Yeah, man. David never perfect, according to the Bible, but he was a man of God's own heart. You see, Andrew Holness, me know say enough people now want me support him. But me have to go with my spirit. Andrew Holness is a man of God's own heart. That's why I give back things to poor people. And the poor people, them, somehow no wicked too, and somehow no teacher wicked too. Because in a PNP time, I be a wage freeze reach, Wage freeze reach, till no turn out freezer. The amount of wage freeze reach in a PNP time, uno could sell ice. Uno could work my ice factory, the amount of wage freeze reaching in a PNP time. Andrew Holness can change that. Me see teachers I get salary now, one can go get better loans. So one can buy Benz and I sitting there. And pretty car. Why do you think on the status change? The fact that when I get more pay increases on a chance to get better loans at low interest rate too. And if I don't even understand them simple things the way Andrew Holness do for you. Because now it has show when I say input everything in a one, in bundle everything in a one, all the things they want to use to get the benefits them. But when you don't even realize the positive impact from that allows Uno can get a loan because now when I show say Uno earn more money can pay on a loan. So even when you go for negotiate on a loan and people are hunting down for lending the money. When you go in at the place and people are lending the money now, people know say you have a steady income and when I get more money. When you pay slip assure say when I get more money. So now when I take out a loan and I get pretty car and I show off. All the time I want to teach at the Ratted where used to beg me drive. And beg me come pick up when me used to deal with teacher. One time when me a bad. And me there with teacher every minute. You can't come pick me up in the morning, early morning, 5 o'clock, me I sleep, phone I ring off. And then they have a house phone at the bedside. And I ring! I jump up out and me sleep to Ratted. You can't come drop me at work. Now to Ratted, I'm the show off, teacher show off from me. The one is a BMW, the one is a yeah, BMW. And the boy show off Audi. Yeah, you got it. Me said, the teacher them want Audi. Me say me go down a BMW. So me I go look for one little X1. Me say teacher drive out X4. And me say, Lord, me can't go and get the X1. Me I go look like Sean Stan. Me said, no sir. Me, the bago said, no go after me. Uno wicked that teacher. Teacher, uno wicked, uno going to hell in a ball of gasoline. I tell you no. Uno did really want to put back PNP in. And I must big up the teachers, them were stood up to the man, the JTA president. I said no demonstration before the election. Me love it, teacher. Teacher, big up on yourself for that one day. Bye. We don't forget a race for that, teachers. Teachers, we don't forget a race for that. Because when it was pressured, y'all were pressured into striking for sway the election and the teachers them say you're not going to use us. Not today, Satan. Not today, Satan. Tell me what Andrew Holness do when we strike. Yeah. Show with the evidence. Tap with the foolishness about 28 bank account because we count them and it's not 28. So start, you know what say? Ask Lashika. See? Yeah, some people out there educated really believe the lies them, and the disinformation, Yeah, man, ask Lashika. There are people out there who have had masters and they sit there and believe the foolishness we are growing, They don't know, so me I talk to a sister. And the sister, me I tell her, say, a brains, Brains. This a sister when me I go back to school, this a sister me all beg proofread sitting for me. So me not talk about no little dibby squaw. Me I say, yo, you can proofread this to me. Me have an assignment here, so me not to understand it, you can help me with it. Yeah, man. So me not about no idiot. And me a reason with it. Me hear the sister on the platform. I said, that sound like that sister, you know. So I got some woman call the sister and I realize, say, right, that the sister really depend on the platform. You know which platform the woman depend? The woman depend on the platform with the woman with her belly on the ground. We are talking about Batman Vegas, Batman Andrew Holness. I mean, I said, Lord, what you do over there, so? And the lady started telling me, say, she don't like Andrew Holness. She don't like, me say, what? Me hate Andrew Holness, me hate and me say, why? Me just hate him. Him have 28 bank account. And me say, what? Come on, sister. What do you mean 28 bank account? Him not have 28 bank account. Me say, where you get that information from? She say, yes. Me say, where you get the information? Everyone is saying it. So me say, you read the report? Me say, you read the report? You tell me. Me say, did you read the report? She said, no. So somebody educated now. So me say, you know, read the report. Then she started me say, Andrew Holness take $1.5 million from US government for transgender. And me say, what? Where you find that? She pull up one sitting on Google and I read it to me. So it said the money was given to some institution in Jamaica. So I said to her, I say, did you look up which institution is that? It fall under him. It fall everything. From me coming to the country is him. I say, what? All this time, my sister, you know, I hate Andrew Holness and don't know what she hate the man for. There's some things that people say, you know. Gosh, and this is somebody who bright educated, you know. Me feel so bad for I listen to my sister and we educated and say how much she hate Andrew Holness. Hate the man. And she has never done any research. And nothing was she hear. She said, me know him now when him see it. Me know a thief in. Have you looked at the EOJ guidelines? Because me expect dunce people if I say Andrew Holness thief him see it. Me don't expect educated people if I say Andrew Holness thief him see it. Because educated people know say at the PNP, the JLP, and the EOJ representatives them oversee the whole thing. Says the PNP would be colluding with JLP for thief PNP. So when me hear the comrades them a run around and I say Andrew Holness thief him seat and thief it, me no pay no mind, you know. Because me dump me out of campaign mode. Me just a laugh and I laugh after the comrade them a meltdown. But when somebody educated I go say to me say Andrew Holness thief him seat. No, me hurt. Because me I say if you go to the EOJ guidelines, you realize that Andrew Holness can't thief him seat. Andrew Holness can't thief him seat because if Andrew Holness, I would have the PNP thief the seat and give to Andrew. All the seats I'm going to say Andrew thief. It would mean that the PNP them not like Mark Golden and thief the seat and give to Andrew. And if me name Andrew and PNP a thief seat give me I take it. So you can't blame, if that the case, you know, you'd have to blame the PNP. So when my sister say Andrew thief in seat, me I say, Sister, you look at the EOJ guidelines? No. Remember, say, me and them sister and them brethren have spent months, years at dig into information where outside of the status quo, you know. Remember, say, we got deep, you know. We got deep until we all start question everything, you know. We pass through all gravity, you know. We pass through gravitational pull, you know. We got deep, we deep dive, you know. So me don't expect somebody will go so deep in a research for dep on the internet with belly a ground. Miss Froggy with the belly a ground. I say Andrew thief him seat and him have 28 bank account. It was shocking. And I said, yo, then how many other intellects believe this? And if you who are an intellect believe this, then the dunce people them not gonna listen to you. But I'm gonna leave it here so. I'm gonna leave it here so because when you stay in a dance and none of you walk out. See? None of you walk out of the dance. So we're gonna leave it here so. Because I just come off a stage and I should even talk so long. But I had to come say it when me I listen to Rattigan them. Have people on them platform, have people on them platform a call for the assassination of government officials, if that's what it's about. So if you're just joining, this is what is happening. Rattigan them a big people calling on them platform, a calling on them platform. I say, if we put tire round.
Hello. Yes, sir. Good evening. How are you doing, man? I'm fine, thank you. Oh, you just called a while ago, right? Yeah, what may I say now? The car was just called a while ago, right? We know you don't agree with the car thing about the killing thing, but listen, then the man that deserve it, still, you know, the man. Oh, well,
the man said, me know you don't agree with the call about the killing thing. What? What? What?
Hello? Yes, sir. Good evening. How are you doing, man? I'm fine, thank you. Oh, you just called a while ago, right? Yeah, what may I say now? The car was just called a while ago, right? We know you don't agree with the car thing about the killing thing, but listen, then the man that deserve it, still, you know, the man. Oh, hold on. Then the man that. No, brother. Tell you, right? If I'm me, look at tell you what me I do. Me never hang me. I put him in the street and pack some rubber tire around him. And light rubber. Hey. Hold on. You need to kill the crocodile. Hey. Yes. You have to kill the egg. Then the man if it's dead, then the man never live. Then the man never live. No. As a top man, help me out, man. You can't invite the American FBI night, man. You know, that's where I tried the man. But if you... Jesus Christ. I want the man tear them like when Gilbert passed on, I tear them the tree, them and I tear up people rooftop. And the rest of them obviously happen to him, man, Yeah, but this man not no heart to nobody, you know. We know, but here's what happened now. Yeah. Good afternoon, my brother. Good afternoon, man. Yeah, man. You know, when we think about the Prime Minister, this Prime Minister, believe me, he have been foot in a poor people neck. I mean, I tell you, say, the man, if he put him out like the square and hang him, make him royal see him. The wickedness went up, man. The man do to poor people, man. The man didn't even hang, you know. Hold on now. The man do too much, Ratty. Jesus Christ, man. What a criminal like that. Righty. You hear me? Yeah. I'm hearing you. Yeah, man. Me say, man, you are one thing we wish for that man. The man have so much up his sleeve. That's why me no want to go into it. The man they fit catch a hang in a midlife square make a real scene. I one of the wickedest man me say come cross the ocean, man. Believe me. You see boy Andrew Wall is there. Yeah. Good afternoon, my brother. Good afternoon. Yeah, man.
That is what they're wishing on the Prime Minister. That is what they're wishing on Jamaica. That is what Rattigan allowed. This is not like someone who has a platform and who is responsible. Cutting off somebody as soon as they started saying that he was there entertaining the conversation, acting as if he's not agreeing with what. But why give the person so much airtime to say that? A responsible person would give someone, and then you take other calls to echo the same thing. Rattigan is a threat to national security, and the Prime Minister must act as soon as possible. That is the start of the conversation, and so we're going to end it with Dean Jackson Miller closing us out in prayer. They are calling for the assassination of our Prime Minister. Rattigan, an ex-FBI agent, is entertaining conversation on his platform about the execution of our Prime Minister. Andrew Holness, stop drink from people on road. Stop. You may know you want to support the poor people them. You need to stop. Do it. They're after you. And we say it and we make it up. Rattigan them a house people to put forward any type of rhetoric here. This is not a joke, people. This is not a game. Them hate the Prime Minister because him and him actually said to the man, yeah man, that we are trying to do. I link up the FBI. And that we are do. Rattigan tell us clearly that he is linking or trying to link with the FBI to bring down our Prime Minister. And we will let Miss Miller take us out in prayer.
Prime Minister, because he's now secured his place in history. First JLP Prime Minister to win a third term in victory. New voices on the PNP side going big. Having said that, though, what can we expect from Holness himself as Prime Minister? Because he's now secured his place in history. First JLP Prime Minister to win a third term in victory. Against the odds, I think it's highly likely, that Holness might step down during this term in office. He has nothing left to prove. He's done everything he wanted to do. He's won that third term. He's also made significant improvements. He can point to all kinds of improvements in Jamaica, improvements in crime. Murders are down. He can point to infrastructural work. He can point to records like the lowest unemployment rate that we've recorded in Jamaica's history. So yeah, he has all these achievements he can boast of, right? If he decides to hold on as Prime Minister and contest a fourth election leading his party, he risks having to leave on a losing note. And why do that?
And we'll leave it there, so. Big up on yourself.